Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Asghar, teacher of mathematics, Vega School System, Dinga. Hello student, how are you? Today we are here to talk something about polynomial. We will discuss what is polynomial, degree of polynomial, and all about characteristic of polynomial, roots of polynomial, and all basic concept about polynomial. Any expression or equation written in mathematical term with constant and variable is called polynomial. I would like to tell here what is constant and variable and what is the difference between them. Anything which doesn't change its value and remains same throughout the period is called constant. Just like 5 is equal to 5 and not equal to 4 and 6. Every real number equal to itself is the example of constant. On contrary to this, variable are those quantities which change their values continuously. For example, weather, time, temperature are the examples of variable. 5x, 2x minus 3. In this example, 5 is a constant and x is a variable. In first expression 5x is consist of only one term and we call it monomial. And if expression consists of two terms, it is called binomial. Similarly, if an expression consists of three terms, like 3x square minus 5x plus 7, it is called trinomial. First expression consists of only one term and the expression which is consists of only one term is called monomial. These are the names of polynomial. First term is called monomial and this expression consists of two terms, 2x minus 3. These expression can be separated by the signs plus or minus. 2x minus 3 is consists of two terms. We call it binomial. And this expression consists of three terms, 3x square 1, 5x second and 7 third. And this expression is called trinomial. After this we come to the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? The highest power of a variable involved in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. For example, in this expression, highest degree of x, which is a variable of polynomial, is 2. Hence, we say that its degree is 2. And this expression, highest degree of 1, we call it linear polynomial. And the polynomial which has degree 2, it's called quadratic polynomial. Similarly, a polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. After this, we define roots of the polynomial. What are the roots of the polynomial? Roots of the polynomial, the values of variable which satisfy the given polynomial are called the roots of the polynomial. For example, if we write here second degree polynomial, p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. It is a second degree polynomial. The values of x which satisfy this polynomial are called the roots of the polynomial. And roots of the polynomial may be equal, unequal, real, rational, irrational. We want to write the standard form of polynomial. This expression is a standard form of polynomial. We read it Pn of x, an xn plus an minus 1, xn minus 1 and so on, x with coefficient 1 and constant bg. It is a standard form of a polynomial. We now solve some example. Here we want to find the value of P of 2, of P of 3. We just put x is equal to P of 2 is equal to 2 raised power 2 plus 5 multiply 2 plus 6. 2 square, which is 4, 5 to the 10 plus 6, 20. Value of polynomial when x is equal to is 20. P of 2 is equal to 20. Thank you.